Oh no, my grades! Oh no, my grades are bad and I'm hungry and I have low energy. Hey, what was that for?
Do you want school to be better?
Of course I do.
Well, a vending machine is the key to happiness in school.
Ooh, a vending machine.
Having a vending machine can give you energy for school.
Awesome.
Have energy to start class ready. What's 20 plus 1?
21.
Why?
Because you add a 1. 47. 1,236. 3,005. 3,035. 100. Ooh, I got the little one.
To start passing content assessments. Act professional with teachers.
And student of the month, Greg Pels, come on up. Good work.
Thank you.
Have a good one. Congratulations.
And stop the growling in your stomach. If you want a vending machine at Everest with tasty snacks, call 1-800-VENDING-MACHINE and Everest call now.